Hello and hello. In this tutorial, what are we going to do? In this tutorial, we will be uploading a, a Python application or exporting it to be an .exe. And what EXE is, it will be an application. Why is this important? Because you could sell this product with your friends or with other people that don't code Python or don't have the libraries inside your project or don't have Python installed. So let's get started. There's many ways to do that, but I will just show you my favorite. We will open this folder. Now we'll terminal. So here it is. This is my URL. What I will be typing is auto slash pi slash 2 slash ex. Okay, but first you have to install it using pip. So just pip install auto slash pi slash 2 slash exe. Okay, so here it is. It will just give me that we have already have. I already have it since it's already in my live. All installed, I mean. Then just open it by just typing auto slash pi slash 2 slash ex. Okay, and you should wait for it 2 or 3 seconds and you can see little. If you don't want to install it using pip all, it gives you an error. You can easily install it from the GitHub. Let me show you the GitHub wallet. So let's just open it here. So this is it, and you could install it from here, okay, from GitHub. If this is better for you, it's better for me to just install this way. Then here, just type your script location or browse. I will browse mine. So mine is in the desktop inside project and just make. Then this is a good question. This is if you are using multiple files, you should select one directly. But I'm just a small project and select. Then here, console window page. What this means, you want when you click the application, open it with a black screen that will allow people to see prints and things like that. In my project, we are not using prints or anything, and it will look bad. Like if you open a browser or an application of it like Visual Studio, you will see the app, then another blank window. So it's kind of weird, so it's better if you just select window-based or hide the content. Then the icon. This is an optional step. Here, you can install an icon. Okay, and this is better. And what icon does, it gives this shape. For example, here, if you can see this has the autopilot has its own unique logo or the Python logo, but like Firefox has its own logo, and this is better. Or it can just give you an image of a flip-flop disk. Okay, and then the settings. Here it asks you where the input will be. So I want the input to be in desktop here. Then that's it. The other things are optional, but the additional file, if you are using like a database file, you should use it. But for me, I'm not using any database or additional file, so I'm not going to use it. Then we will just copy this code or plus convert Python EXE. And don't close this application or the console, since if you bring up the console now, you can see weird things are printing out. Okay? It's not it's not important to read these. Okay, and here it was the successful use. You could just see at the end complete or incomplete or than LL and then clear output, then this is it done. Okay, then last I can just go here and you can see here this is the flip-flop disk that I was talking about. When you click it, double click on it, it will load, then it will open the same application that's open. And if you see here, it's a feather icon since this is for TK Intel. So you have to put a logo here, the flop disk, the snake is on it, and inside your project. Okay, so first you have to like add here a small icon. And this how. And now you can just put it in a zip file easily. Let's just call it my Python app, for example. Then just put this inside of it here, and then just tell someone, here's my app, learn it or see it on your computer. And this will work perfectly, but if he's using Windows protection or any protection safety, it will give him some errors. Okay, or errors since we are not verified developers. Okay, this is how you and this is how you make an EXE file from a Python file.